Welcome to my channel and thanks for watching. In this video, I'll be doing a review and demo on the Eastwood brake tube flaring tool. I bought this kit because I wanted to be able to do 37-degree flares for AN fitting stalls to run my fuel system. Okay, so let's get started. The main kit comes with a nice plastic blow molded case. And in the case you have the main tool with a handle, a 45-degree rotating die head, 4 sets of 45-degree split dies which come in 3/16 of an inch, 1/4 of an inch, 15/16, and 3/8 inch, along with the directions. As I mentioned, additional 37-degree flaring die kit is available and sold separately, which I will get into at the end of this video. I will also add links in the description. Okay, so let's flare some lines. I have to take the main tool and mount it in a vise. Then the handle will be installed into the lever just by clicking it in, as seen here. Open the clamp by pulling the pin and lifting it out of the way. Select whichever double-sided split dies are needed. Operation 1 will be a bubble flare. Operation 2 will be a 45-degree double flare. We'll get back to that in a sec. So we'll start by putting the bottom half of the split die in the tool. In the instructions, you are told to lubricate the tube end and rotating die head. The fitting has to be placed on before the flare is done. Then the tube could be placed in the bottom half of the die. Add the second half. Close the clamp and push in the pin. The die head has to be rotated to operation 0. So that's operation 0, flat side towards the tool. Then you want to snug down the clamp but not tighten all the way. Turn the main handle till you feel it bottom out and hold it there. Now you can finish tightening down the clamp. Release the handle, and now the tube should be flush with the end of the die. Once that's done, you'll turn the head to operation 1 for the size tube you're flaring. Then the handle could be pulled till it bottoms out. That would be a completed bubble flare. Now you'll turn the die head to operation 2. Pull the handle till it bottoms out. And that would be a completed 45-degree double flare. Loosen the handle. Pull the pin. Lift the handle out the way. Sometimes the dies do stick together and you just gotta tap them apart. And here's a look at the 45-degree double flare with the fitting. So now we'll move on to the 37-degree flare, which I use to connect to the AN fittings on my fuel lines. The set is sold separately and comes with a 37-degree rotating die head. 4 sets of 37-degree split dies which come in 3/16, 1/4 inch, 5/16, and 3/8 inch. To do this, the 45-degree rotating head has to be removed, which just pops out. Then the 37-degree head needs to be installed, which just clicks back in. Make sure it's flush with the bottom. Install the bottom half of the split die being used. Remember to lubricate the tube and the die head. Add the fittings, which I went over in my previous video, how to connect AN fittings to hard lines. Place the tube in the die, adding the top half. Close the clamp, push in the pin, tighten it down but not all the way. Then the process is pretty much the same. You'll turn the head to operation 0, turn the handle till you feel it bottom out, finish tightening the clamp down, turn the head to operation 1 for the size line you're using, pull the handle till you feel it bottom out. Here you can see phase 1 of the 37-degree flare. Turn the head to operation 2. Once again, pull the handle until it stops. There you have it, 37-degree flare. I did notice sometimes that the fitting won't slide over the line. So what I had to do was take a piece of sandpaper and just kind of clean it off and smooth it out. I'm not sure if it was because I was using aluminum line or if it just has to be done every time. But once I was done, you can see here it slips over really good. And you can see how nice it came out. And now this could be connected to my AN fittings for my soft lines or whatever else I need to attach it to. I really like this tool. I think it's a great tool to have if you're going to run like full brake lines and fuel lines and stuff like that. It's a nice tool to have, along with the little hand ones to do like flares that have to be done inside the car. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Please take a moment to subscribe or leave a comment.